Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about switch formula in Excel. I have a small chart already prepared here. Size chart it is small, medium, large and Excel by the inches. Okay. So typically small size ranges from 34 to 36 and medium size commonly span 38 to 40 and large size usually covers from 42 to 44 and Excel starts from 46 inches. Okay, so using the switch formula by entering the size, entering the inches here, we are going to find the size from this size chart. Okay, so this inches will be added here. As you can see, it is 1 now. We'll add 34 here. So once we add 34 here, we should get the result as small. If we add 38, the result should be medium. Okay, so let's get started. Switch expression is from G3. Okay, what is the value? Value should be, if G3, the expression is 34, comma, yes, small. If it is 38, comma, medium. Okay, if it is 42, comma, large. If it is 46, then it should be Excel. Okay, now again the expression is from G3. If 34, then the result should be small. Value 2. If it is 38, then the result 2 should be medium. Value, if it is 42, the result should be large. Value 4. If it is 46, then the result should be Excel. Okay, let's close the bracket. Hit enter. You can see here for 34 we got size as yes. Okay, let's change this to 38. It is showing medium. Let's add 46. It is changing it to Excel. Okay, so now if I enter 30, what happens? You get hash NA. Okay, if I enter 34, you will get small. If I enter 0, 1 or a 2, so it is hash NA. How do we fix this? It is very simple. Okay, here if you see, after all the results it is asking default. Okay, so if no data found within this expression values and result, then what should be the response? Now enter no values found. Okay, close the bracket. Now you see, anything is out of these four values, then the result will be no values found. 34, yes. 46, Excel. If I enter 10, then no values found. So we can also use nested if formula to identify the sizes. We'll cover that in the next video. Okay, I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Please do subscribe and like the video. Thank you.